What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, you're all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. So this is going to be my very first review for the house of Arabiyat Prestige. Arabiyat Prestige is a brand which comes under the umbrella of My Perfumes. My Perfume is the mother company, and My Perfume own like 7 or 8 brands under their umbrella, and Arabiyat Prestige is one of them. And let me tell you guys, if you are looking for an upcoming amazing brand, you should check out Arabiyat Prestige, because I have tried a lot of their samples and now I got like around like 6 or 7, 8 perfumes from this house, and I can tell you the quality they are offering is exceptionally good, and their blending, everything is so nice. So keep an eye on this brand Arabiyat Prestige, and you will be amazed in next coming years that what kind of fragrances they are going to offer. So this was a little introduction about Arabiyat Prestige. It's a UAE based house, and now let's talk about the perfumes which I'm going to review in this video. So they have a collection of 3 perfumes which comes under their Aariz collection, and today in this video I am going to talk about those 3 perfumes. So the first perfume which I got here is Aris, and this is the box. I am going to show you the presentation only once, because the interior is very similar in all of these 3 boxes. The only difference is the color from the outside. So I'm going to show you the presentation in the beginning only, and then for the other perfumes I'm only going to show you the boxes from the outside, and I will show you the bottles. So you'll get this perfume in this kind of beautiful presentation. You can see it's a solid box with this nice sleeve on it. So here you will find the name of the collection, Aris, and here on this button you will find the name of brand, Arabiyat Prestige, and nothing on the sides. And then in the back here you will find some details, and once again the name of the collection here and the logo of Arabiyat Prestige. And then here you will find this beautiful cutout on the sleeve. So once you are going to remove the sleeve, you will get this solid box with this golden curtain kind of lines pattern on the front, and here this is how it looks. And once you are going to open the box, this is where you will find your bottle in this beautiful royal kind of foam cut out. And now let me show you the bottle, and the bottles are very unique and they are very rich looking. And here you go. So you'll get this perfume in these beautiful bottles. You can see the shape of the bottles. They are traditional and modern and classy at the same time. You can see here in the front you will find this sticker with this beautiful pattern, the name of the perfume, Aris, nothing in the back, and this is the overall shape of the bottle you can see here. And now the cap here is made of metal, and this is very heavy. The finishing design is very impressive. So this is about the presentation, and now let's talk about the fragrance. So let me give you the notes background first, and then I will try to tell you that how this perfume actually smells. So as per their official website, in the top you will get jasmine, bergamot, grapefruit, magnolia. In the middle you will get herbal notes, ginger and some powdery notes, and then in the base you will get heliotrope, cedarwood, amber, musk, patchouli, orris, vanilla and sandalwood. So this is the official notes breakdown, and now let me tell you that how this perfume actually smells. So first of all, this is a beauty. This one smells so good, very fresh, vibrant, effervescent and sparkling. If you like that bright, rich, beautiful, refreshing and sparkling kind of scents, then you are definitely going to love this perfume. So this one opens with beautiful mix of sparkling grapefruit. You will get bergamot, you will get ambroxan and musk here. The opening is very bright, citrusy and refreshing, and then towards the dry down, towards the second phase and dry down, it becomes like sweet and musky, powdery, a woody kind of scent. And this perfume is inspired by Sospiro's Vibrato, and Vibrato is highly inspired by Bulgari's Tiger. So let me tell you first the difference between Bulgari Tiger and Sospiro's Vibrato. So Vibrato is very similar to Tiger, but Tiger is a beautiful blend of grapefruit, ambroxan and musk. But in Vibrato they have introduced some florals. So The same thing is going on here. Here you will get beautiful florals in the mix. So you will get that very similar kind of refreshing and sparkling kind of grapefruit, bergamot with jasmine, musk, ambroxan, and then very beautiful and refreshing ginger here. And then the more it moves towards the dry down, the more sweeter it becomes. And then in the final dry down, you will left with this beautiful sweetness with that powdery kind of vanilla, soft woody tones, and some musk. So this is the journey of this beautiful perfume. It's very refreshing and I'm really loving it because I love Tiger from the house of Bulgari. So this is a no-brainer for me. Definitely a beautiful scent. So if you like these kind of fragrances, do check it out. So this was about Aariz, and now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. So first of all, let's talk about the performance. Performance wise, beautiful. 6 to 8 sprays and you are good to go for next like around 8 hours easily. Projection sillage is amazing, and if you go trigger happy, you will be able to smell this perfume on your t-shirt even on the next day. So performance is not an issue here. This performs very well. And now let's talk about gender. So it's a unisex type of scent which leans more towards the masculine side, but even ladies, they can rock this perfume easily. For the age group, no barrier at all. For the season or weather, no barrier at all. The best experience will come in summers, but you can also rock this perfume in winter. So beautiful florals, sparkling grapefruit and bergamot, musk, ambroxan, beautiful scent. And now let's talk about the occasion. So you can rock this perfume in any kind of scenario, even in your sports activities, in your gym, your school, college. It can be your daily drive kind of scent. You can rock this perfume in any kind of scenario. It's a compliment magnet, it's a crowd pleaser. So whenever you're going to wear this perfume, people around you will like it and they will appreciate and they will compliment you if you're living in that kind of society, you know, because normally in our countries no one compliment. But overall, a beautiful blend. So this was about Aariz. For the price, we will talk in the end. So and now let's jump to the second perfume from the same line. And the second one I got here is Aariz Intense, and you will get this perfume in this box. You can see the color of the box, the pattern, design, everything is very similar to the first one. The only difference is the color here. So if you remove the sleeve, the box here is totally in gold color, whereas in the case of Aariz, it was a mix of black and gold. So this is the box, you can see, and this is the back. And now let me show you the bottle. So once again, the shape of the bottle is very similar to the first one. The only difference is the color. So here you go. You can see this beautiful combination of black and gold here, and it's a black colored bottle. And once again, a beautiful blend. So this is a perfume inspired by Kilian's Angel's Share. Yeah, I know market is flooded with Angel's Shares clones and alternatives. I think there is no brand left without an alternative of by Kilian's Angel's Share. And some brands have like 3 and 4 variations of the same fragrance, like Latafa, and there are some more brands like they have 3, 4 versions of the same perfume. Here, yes, the scent profile is same. It's a beautiful mix of cognac with praline and some beautiful vanilla. A very nice and intoxicating blend once again, because Angel's Share is a beautiful creation. But what makes it different from a lot of other brands out there is maybe the quality, because once again the blending is very nice here. Do check it out, don't blind buy, check it out by yourself and then only decide if you want to buy this or if you want to go with some other alternative. But for me, this is one of the highest quality alternative of by Kilian's Angel's Share. The note of cognac is very nice here, and the depth, the blending, the mix is so nice, it's so wonderful. So do check it out, because you can find alternatives of Angel's Share starting from, I can say, 50 dirhams, and then it goes like 80, 100. So you know, it's totally up to you. But if you want something with really exceptional good quality, do check out Aariz Intense. And now let's jump to the third one, and this is once again a very different and beautiful blend. And here I'm talking about Aris Le Absolute. I don't know if I'm saying it right, because there is an L and then Absolute with the comma on the top. So I think it's Aris Le Absolute or L'Absolu. I think it's Le Absolute. And this is the box color. You can see here, once you remove the sleeve, once again, the box is black this time. And now let me show you the bottle. And once again, the shape of the bottle is very similar. The only difference is the color. So here you go. Beautiful combination of gray and this dark metal kind of shade. And see the cap, everything, it looks so beautiful. So this is about the presentation, and now let's talk about the fragrance. So let me give you the notes breakdown, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So here in the top, you will get mandarin, cinnamon bark, and almond. And then in the middle notes, you will get rose, orange flower, and amber. And then in the base, you will get sandalwood, tonka beans, and vanilla. So this is the official notes breakdown. And now I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So first of all, this is an elegant, really sensuous and addictive kind of blend here. So all those people who love that bitter almond type of note, the people who appreciate that bitter almond kind of fragrances, this is something amazing for you. First of all, let me talk about the quality. So the quality and blending is literally top notch. This one smells so good, and this is inspired by a very expensive perfume from the house of BDK, and that perfume is Velvet Tonka. So let's talk about Aris Le Absolute. This is once again a beauty, and this is an almond bomb. So here it's nutty, it's not very creamy, but it's more on the powdery side. So you will get a very strong note of bitter almond here in the start, with definitely some vanilla and tonka. So you will get a mix of bitterness, that nuttiness of almond, then you will get that powderiness and that sweetness of tonka and vanilla. Florals are not very prominent in this blend, but towards the second phase, there's the time when you will start to feel some florals here in this blend. And in the florals, the most prominent thing here is, you can say, little bit of sweet rose, and then you will also get that beautiful ambery spiciness here. And then in the final dry down, it always stays bitter. Almond is going to stay with you from start till end, but in the final dry down, this one becomes little bit woody. Sandalwood starts to shine here in the final dry down. So you'll get that soft, creamy kind of sandalwood with that very soft, bitter kind of almond, with powdery tonka and vanilla here in the final dry down. So the whole journey is really amazing. It's a dynamic kind of scent. It's not a linear type of scent. The only thing needed in this perfume is that bitter almond, which will stay with you from the start till end. Otherwise, it's a beautiful blend. So overall, 10 on 10 once again. So this is about the fragrance, and now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. I haven't talked about Aris Intense because there are like zillions of reviews already available on the internet. So for the gender, age, and everything, you can check out any review of Angel's Share or any of its clone. So I just want to keep this review a little bit shorter, so that's why I skipped it. But once again, performance is very nice here for this perfume, and the price is same for all three of these, so that we will discuss in the end. So here let's start with the performance first. So once again, it's a beast. It's going to perform really well. You can start with 6 to 8 sprays and you will be rocking whole day. And if you talk about the gender, so this is a unisex scent, but in my humble opinion, it leans more towards the feminine side. It's more towards the lady side. My wife is really loving this perfume. I have used this perfume like around three times, but my wife, she have used this perfume I think for like 2 weeks now, and she's really loving it. So somehow it appeals ladies a lot. So this was about the gender. It's unisex, even I'm loving it. But if you're a lady, this is going to rock. And now let's talk about the age group. So you should be a little bit mature. Once again, if you are like around 22, 23 plus, you can rock it easily. And now let's talk about the season or weather. So this is a perfume you can use all year around, but don't go in the direct sunlight when the temperature is 35 degrees high. Other than that, indoors and even in the night time, outdoors, if you are going for a mall or if the weather is cold, you will be loving it. And now let's talk about the occasions. So for the occasion, once again, I would say this is a perfume for some very special occasions. Don't use this perfume in your sports or gym activities. This is a very elegant scent. The combination, the composition is really elegant. It's very sensual and it's very elegant. So for your office, for some special occasions, if you're going on a date, going for a high-class meeting, in your corporate meetings, in a wedding, wherever you want except the sports activities. So this is about the occasion. And now let's talk about the main thing, the price of these perfumes. So these three perfumes are actually premium offerings from the brand Arabiyat Prestige, and each perfume is going to cost you 250 UAE dirhams for 100 ml quantity and with this beautiful presentation. But now comes the good news. The retail price is 250 dirhams for a 100 ml bottle, but they are always offering some kind of discounts in different occasions. For example, now it's the month of Ramadan, so you can get I think 15 to 20% direct off, and then there will be Eid, and then there will be a national day, there will be a new year, so you will be easily able to grab like 15 to 20% discount on their website. So if they're not offering any offer at a particular time, you can just wait for a week or a month, and you can wait for a good discount offer, and only then you can buy it if you feel they are expensive. But for me, they are good. Yeah, prices are a little bit higher, but the quality speaks itself. Do check it out. Don't blind buy. Just go to their any store. If you're living inside UAE, it will be very easier for you to test their fragrances. And now Arabiyat Prestige have officially launched inside India, so all their products are easily available inside India also. I think the pricing of India is a little bit better, so go to their store, check it out by yourself, and only then decide by yourself. But what I can tell you here is that the quality and blending is top notch. And if you ask me about my two favorites, so I will say number one for me here is Aris. This one. Yes, maybe I'm biased because I love Bulgari Tiger's scent profile, but trust me guys, this one smells very nice. And my second favorite is Aris Le Absolute. And on number three, I will put Aris Intense, only because the scent profile is copied like zillion times and it's available in the market in abundance. The clones and alternatives are there in the market, and I already got I think like 7 to 8 alternatives in my collection. Only that's why I'm keeping it on the third position. But for me, this is number one and this is number two. So this was my review about Aariz line from the house of Arabiyat Prestige. I hope you like this review. Do let me know in the comments box if you have ever experienced these perfumes. I'm going to catch you in my another review of some another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.